Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn all about 12 months of the year.
Yay! I love learning about the months. Mom, what's the first month?
First month is January. January is the start of the year and sometimes it's cold and snowy.
I like to stay warm in January.
Next is February. February is the shortest month with only 28 days. It is when we celebrate Valentine's Day.
I love giving Valentine's cards.
March comes next. It is the start of springtime with flowers beginning to bloom.
Spring is so pretty.
Then we have April. April is known for rainy days that help the flowers grow.
April showers bring May flowers.
Exactly. After April comes May, a month full of blossoms and a special day to celebrate moms.
Happy Mother's Day.
In June, summer begins. The weather gets warmer and schools often finish for vacation.
I love summer holidays.
July is next when people celebrate Independence Day with fireworks and fun.
Boom! Fireworks are amazing.
August follows with sunny days and lots of outdoor play.
I like to go to park in August.
September means back to school and start of colorful autumn.
I like learning new things at school.
October is the month of spooky Halloween fun with costumes and treats.
Trick or treating is so much fun.
In November, we give thanks and celebrate holidays like Thanksgiving.
I am thankful for my family.
And last is December, the month of winter holidays and celebration with family.
Holiday lights are so pretty.
Awesome. Let us say all the months together.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December.
Great job. Now you know all the months of the year. Come back tomorrow for more fun learning.
Bye bye friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video.